it's me again. As that's my mini series about the motorcycle travel to Spain. And this time it's going to be different. How different, I guess the only way to find out is just to stick around and see how it goes. So if you're still here with me, then let's go and check it out. That's the other way around. Dear Diary, here I am again. I'm happy to announce that I was able to escape my usual life for a bit and go on this wonderful trip. This is my second visit to Spain on a bike, but this time I wanted to research the northwest coast all the way down to Portugal. And I know these are two beautiful countries which are very friendly to bikers. So fast forward the night ride through almost the entire island, and 30 hours on the ferry, my friend Derek and I arrived at the port of Bilbao, where we started our 7-day tour around Spain and Portugal. The plan for the first day was to get to the national park in Picos de Europa mountains as quickly as we can, mostly using motorways so we could enjoy riding on the wonderful twisty mountain roads. Very soon though, I realized that the ride won't be as easy and pleasant as I thought. Instead it was cold, windy and rainy. My waterproof jacket, which held it extremely well during quite serious Scottish rains last year, started to let me down the very first day here in Spain. We took N621 road, which was recommended by many guides as one of the most scenic mountain roads. Eventually we got to the most exciting part of the road, Picos de Europa. You instantly realize this is it when you get to this place. All of a sudden this changed landscape has a great impact on my mood and morale. It's impressive how these stunning mountain views make you forget all worries and suffering. Well, almost all. My gloves and jacket were still damp and cold, and I was hungry, but that's irrelevant. Few facts from Wikipedia. Picos de Europa contains some of the world's deepest caves, including Torca del Cerro, which plunges to a depth of minus 1,589 meters, and called by many world experts one of the most technically challenging descents. The region also boasts diverse wildlife such as Cantabrian brown bears and Iberian wolves. I wish I could see one. Honestly, this place looks massive and certainly deserves at least a few days of more detailed research. But not this time, we have lots of things and places to see on this trip, so we just move on. Freezing.
I've been walking a line that's worn too thin, carrying the weight of where I've been. You said you'd stay when the lights went black, but I've seen truth and it don't come back. I'm not a hero, I never claimed, just trying to stand through all the blame. If I fall, will you break me down? If I drown, will you let me out?
Puerto de San Glorio is a mountain pass in the Cantabrian Mountains of the northern Spain, specifically on the N621 national highway that connects Leon and Cantabria. It is located near the southern border of the Picos de Europa National Park.
Been proud, but I need you now. Ooh.
The pass reaches an elevation of 1,610 meters and offers views of Picos de Europa mountain range on clear days. On clear days, which clearly was not the thing in our case, although honestly, no regrets. Even on such a rainy day, this place looks magical.
I'm not a savior, never was, but I'd fight for you just because. If I fall, will you break me down? If I drown, will you let me out? I'm not made of steel, but I won't run, even when the fire comes. If I break, will you stay around, or just leave me buried underground? I'm not perfect, never been proud, but I need you now. Everyone's got something to hide, but I laid all my demons down tonight. If you're gonna leave, just tell me why. But if you stay, then stay and fight. If I fall, will you break me down? If I drown, will you pull me out? I'm not made of steel, but I still stand with these shaking hands. If I break, will you see me through, or just be another ghost I knew? I'm not perfect, I won't pretend, but I need you. I need you in the end. Brown, or build me up again.
The planned route for the day had an estimate of about 4 hours, which is not bad at all. However, considering challenging weather conditions, countless roadworks and other unforeseen circumstances, we spent almost double of that time we planned. And I definitely felt the fatigue of the all-day riding. Eventually we arrived at our first overnight stay, Hotel Moto Rural Vegalion. That was the only place we booked in advance. The first impression was great. I liked it from the very first look, and we had a very warm welcome there. I must heard your bike miles away. Oh, this place looks lovely.
Does? Yeah, looks great.
So that's us. We finally arrived to our destination for today. We checked in the hotel. It's a lovely hotel, looks very much like an old-fashioned villa. And yeah, so that's my room. 2-bedroom, plenty of space for motorcycle gear, toilet, wardrobe. There is a little garage outside where we put the bikes, and there is a little workshop there with some tools, so I might probably borrow some tools to do the basic maintenance for the bike, loop the chain and do some other small stuff. So the first day was challenging. We got from the ferry straight into the rain, so it was rainy, it was cold. We covered quite some mileage riding through the motorways, and then we entered the Picos de Europa. Amazing place, such nice views, and yeah, but cold, very cold, especially whenever we get up the mountains. You definitely can feel the difference in temperature. So yeah, exhausted, completely exhausted. So what we do now is we're gonna have some meal, and I think we just relax and rest for the rest of the day, and yeah, we're gonna prepare for tomorrow, and we'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I guess that's it. See you.